not trying to deter anyone from singing if they don't have autism. But come on, look at all those singers from the past. It's fairly clear that they have the Asperger's. Now they got rid of that term. So, like anyone out there with autism, that you can go for services. That's all that was. Because you can't have a group called Asperger's and they don't get any services. It's the same disorder. It's just with different outcome. So look, to sing perfectly, I can hear it in my own voice. I can hear it in the people with the perfect pitch. There's a reality to it where one can just tell. If you have perfect pitch, you can just tell if the note's in tune. We can tell what the pitch is. We can hum. We can play music just by our ears. If we know that we have autism in perfect pitch, then one understands oneself. The cap, the limitations are lifted. So I don't mean to deter anyone, but there's a reason why I sound perfect at singing, even though I only started singing, doing this a couple years ago. The reason why I'm able to pull this off is because I was in the high school band. I learned music early enough. I mean, I really learned it. I got some awards. I wasn't good at improvising, though, because I'm not into memorizing. The notes are just... It's like the color red isn't 3 letters, R-E-D. The reason why music is so healthy and good, and we all love it, is because it's organic. It should be. In theory, it's organic. Auto-tune is not organic. I get a really easy song now to do right here. Thanks for your patience while I went on a rant. For someone to have a perfect singing voice, they have to have autism. It's my conclusion. Okay, this song is called Sky High by Jigsaw. It's from 1975, and I find it really easy. I remember it growing up, and I only had to listen to this thing like the last half hour. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Blown round by the wind, thrown down in a spin. I gave you love, I thought that we had made it to the top. I gave you all I had to give. Why did it have to stop? You've blown it all sky high by telling me a lie without a reason why. You've blown it all sky high. You've blown it all sky high. Our love had wings to fly. We could have touched the sky. You've blown it all sky then down, down like a stone. I gave you love, I thought that we had made it to the top. I gave you all I had to give. Why did it have to stop? You've blown it all sky high by telling me a lie without a reason why. You've blown it all sky high. You've blown it all sky high. Our love had wings to fly. We could have touched the sky. You've blown it all sky high. You've blown it all sky high by telling me a lie without a reason why. You've blown it all sky high.